I'm an ultra runner and mountain runner at the same time. One of the longest distances that I've ever covered in one go and in one project is 250 Ks over 6 days. That was in the Kalahari Desert. So my next objective that I've set myself is to summit the 5 tallest peaks in the Waterton Lakes National Park in southern Alberta. Sofa Mountain, Alderson, Dungarvan, Anderson and Blakiston Mountain. Blakiston tops out at close on 10,000 feet above sea level. It's probably going to be around about that 120k mark. There's going to be a ton of elevation involved, probably in the region of about 40,000 feet. Everything that I need is going to be carried by myself for those 48 hours. This hasn't been done before. It is going to be a first attempt, or as we refer to in the industry as an only known time, or the acronym OKT.